Welcome back to my channel, Car DIY Repair. Today I've got a squeaking suspension, so I'm going to do a quick fix in it. Really simple. It's just making a bit of a squeak. It's a bit of a annoying, and we're going to get that sorted. So first things first is hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and let's get stuck in. Okay, so I'm just going to shake the car like this. Give it a. I don't know if you can hear that squeak. That's that there now, and then we give it another shake there, and we'll show it here. Give it a shake there, Evan. As you can hear, it's coming from in there, and that's just basically, the shock is fine, there's nothing really wrong with it, it needs to be a little bit of a lubrication on it. So I'm going to throw a little bit of WD-40 on it, and that will sort this problem out. It's a quick fix job. I don't think the suspension needs to be changed, and just to get rid of the squeak and stop annoying me for the time being, I'm going to do this. So we get the WD-40 and spray. Okay, so there's a rubber cover here and a rubber gaiter on it. It covers the strut, so I'm just going to lift this up like so, and that'll expose the strut itself. So, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the WD-40 in there and just get some spray in on top of that. So I'll just give it a good old lash of the WD-40. Simple as that. Get the whole thing covered in WD-40 all around, my hand included, but you know, it does no harm. That's it. So now we'll see what happens now when we give it a shake. Okay, so regarding the squeak, this has been about a week later, and we'll see how the WD-40 has done. Give it a push down there, Evan. Give it a good not a single squeak noise out of it at all. So there we go. A bit of WD-40 is the job for getting rid of squeaks when you have a squeaky suspension, and it's very annoying when you have them. So hope this video helps somebody. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Take care. Good luck.